Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with what's available: the router label, a connected laptop or phone, and the admin sign-in. First, inspect the router sticker for the default SSID and WPA key. Write it down. Once done, connect the device to Wi-Fi or use Ethernet to avoid lockouts. Then open a browser and navigate to the router IP or log into your ISB account. Make sure to note the model number. It helps find the exact admin interface and default credentials quickly. Now you pull the password from a connected device or the router itself. On Windows, open Network Settings or run NetWLAN. Show Profiles and the profile name to get details, then show Key Content. On Mac OS, use Keychain Access to search the SSID and choose Show Password after authenticating. If that fails, log into the router admin page at its IP, open Wireless Settings, and read or reveal the WPA/WPA2 passphrase. Use command line only with permission. It's fast and explains where the key is stored. Finish by replacing any default or exposed password with a strong, unique passphrase. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 if supported. Save the change, reboot the router, and reconnect your devices. Make sure to update saved credentials in a password manager and on any static devices like printers. If you can't access admin, power cycle the router, try an alternate browser or device, and if necessary, perform a hardware reset. Note that resets erase settings, so only do that as a last resort or contact your ISB for help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.